Hey, it's good to see you. Thanks for stopping by Spear Outdoors. Today, we're going to use single cup filters for the Keurig. We're going to make pine needle tea. It's a little windy out here. It's been raining. It's getting real cold. Got a winter storm coming. But grab your pine needles. Get you a pair of scissors. Just cut you some pine needles off. Just cut you some pine needles off like that. Get a few more. Whew, it's cold. Get a few more pine needles. So about that many, you should be golden. All right, so first of all, you got your paper plate right here on your countertop. Then you want to take your scissors and you want to cut them maybe half an inch all the way down through, like this. Cut them all up. You're going to use every one of them. And what you don't use, you can save for later. All right, now that you got them all cut up, you want to get your 1 cup filter and fill these things all up in there. Yeah, we got a little too much this time. You fill it up like that, and just close your lid. Now just go ahead and put your water in. Set your cup up underneath there. Open your Keurig up and place the filter in. Press the button. I hit the strong button up here. It brews a little bit longer. So we'll hit that. And then we'll start it. Now it's starting to brew that tea. It's going to look kind of clear, but if you look down into the cup, it's really not all that clear. Has a little bit of a color tinge to it, and that's what you want. That's hot. Hey, thanks for watching this quick video on Spear Outdoors, even though we was indoors today. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit the little red button on the bottom, subscribe, and we will see you next time.